morning.
Good morning.
We're at Blackmore Shaw Club site. Going to walk on the Roaches today. Should be quite good. Could do with a bit better weather. It's a bit misty at the moment, but hoping to clear up later.
There's the dog walk park over there.
Quite a busy road. I'm glad we're not next to the road on our pitch. So top tip, go up the top. You can see the Roaches in the distance there. About 5 minutes down this busy road on the footpath to get to the good stuff where we start to get into the nice scenery. Are you a gentleman?
No.
She just likes climbing too much. Heading up onto Hen Cloud now, kind of really part of the Roaches. That's the Roaches over there. Stone staircase here to take us up to the top. Looks like it was some sort of boundary marker in the past. We're at the top.
Oh, not really, but kind of at the top.
I think we're almost at the top. So this is the top of Hen Cloud. Coming up for a selfie. So that was Hen Cloud. Really enjoyed going up there. Nice, wasn't it?
Nice, yeah. Really nice. Very quiet.
So now we're going to scoot round the edge of the Roaches, heading towards Lud's church, and then back along the Roaches. Hurrah! The sun's out.
It's so lovely to see everywhere countryside all around us, and sort of you might see the odd farmhouse, but that's it. It's beautiful. Oh, this is rural England. It's lovely.
So we've just hit a bit of a road section, quite a long bit of a road section, because we've got to walk all the way, at least as far as we can see.
It's a long way to go. Oh,
Which is crazy.
God.
Quite windy, so we're testing out the new GoPro Hero 7 wind reduction. Hopefully it sounds good. Gotta love the cheese and crackers. We're at the other end of that road.
The long road to Tipperary.
To where?
To Tipperary.
Good view of that road. We walked down all the way down there. But at least we're back on the footpaths now. Yay! Stepping stones, how's your balance? So we're going to Lud's Church. I think we're there. Found a gap. I'm in the photos. Sorry. What do you see?
We have ice cream.
Just stepped onto the Roaches.
More uphill.
More uphill. Do you know why it's called the Roaches?
No, I don't.
Do you know what is French for rocks?
Roach.
Yes.
Is it?
They're Roaches.
Ah.
So it's French. Well, this should be the best bit of the walk, but actually the walk's been great so far anyway, hasn't it?
Yeah, up that road.
The road wasn't good. So on a clear day, you're supposed to be able to see Snowden from here, but it's not a clear day. Still a reasonable view though.
That's beautiful.
Not bad for March. Serious fire up here. Very burnt out. So, do you know where we are? We're at Stocks's pool. And here it is. We have to be careful here. In the old days, there's a nymph who used to tempt people up here and get them to the water's edge and push them in.
Really?
And drown them, yes. Yeah, so that's ducks this pool.
Yeah, that's quite unusual, isn't it, to see that up here?
Yeah, it's very high.
Yeah,
500 metres above sea level here. On our Snowden scale, that equals half the height of Snowden. Heading down now, Roaches from a different angle. Lots of rock climbers. Coffee. It's been a long time coming, we're almost home. First coffee stop on the walk.
Cheers.
Cheers. And we're back. So that was 11.4 miles. Took us 5 hours 40, including the coffee stop. 1,800 feet worth of elevation. So that's
calories.
So that's quite tough, quite a long way.
And now the best bit is, it's still sunny, so we're going to have scones with classic cream and jam and a gin and tonic. Win-win chicken dinner.
Off out to Three Horseshoes tonight. Been told it's really good there, so we'll see. But
All good food apparently. And it's literally a few minutes walk away from here.
That was 5 minutes to get here. That's not too bad, is it?
Perfect.
Really impressed with the food here. It's lovely. Good morning. Out on the bikes on a windy day today. So up here we can see the Winking Man, and it's called that because as you drive along the road, it looks like he's winking because his eyes move as you go along the road. Well, I just found a gem of a coffee stopover. Well, it's actually a brewery, but a bit early for beer, so having a coffee. But look at this.
I'm going to show you inside. This is what it's called, the Winkle Brewery. And inside here, look at this, how fabulous is this? And these are the owners.
Bit frightening, that.
If only we were.
Don't put it on that
You're not-
interwebs thing, will you?
You're going to be on a vlog.
Eh?
You're going to be on our vlog.
So you met the most grumpiest man in the world.
So every Friday, is it every Friday?
Every Friday, no,
Every
first Friday of every month.
First Friday of every month, you can come down here from 5
Come
o'clock.
to the Winkle Brewery
Yeah.
and be entertained by the most grumpiest man in the world.
You're not normally here on that Friday. It's normally me,
Brilliant,
isn't it?
there's an offer.
Well, what an idyllic spot for our lunch today. Absolutely beautiful. Nearly back, so I think we can have an alcohol.
Cheers.
Cheers.